And so the card that the spectator selected in this pile was... what? What happened? What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you a card trick that can literally be learned in 2 minutes. But of course, this is the performance, so let's do it. Now check this out. I'll start off by giving the deck a quick shuffle. And then I'll split the deck exactly in half, so that'll be 26 cards, 3... So 26 cards and 26 cards. We'll have a spectator take a card out from, let's call this pile 1, and we'll have a spectator take a card out from pile 2. Now we'll take a look. The card from pile 1 was this, and the selected card from pile 2 was this. Now we'll take pile 2's card, put it inside of pile 1, and we'll take pile 1's card, put it inside of pile 2. Now the spectator is freely allowed to shuffle these piles as much as they'd like. And then me being the performer, I can go into each pile and figure out the spectator's selected cards. And as always, the link to the tutorial for the video will be down in the description below 24 hours after this video has been uploaded. So if that video isn't up yet, go make sure and check out that video because you'll learn just as much and chances are the tutorial is already up. So that being said, I'll see you there. Peace out.